Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Maps offline. So all you have to do is click on the Google Maps, select a particular area where you will find no signals or mobile data. All you have to do is click on the top right corner. You will find Google Maps in these options. Click on it. So select your own map. Here, as you can see, you can download this area. For example, I'm gonna download such as like this area. Click on the download. Here you can see it's downloading the offline map, and you can rename it as map 1, map 2, or whatever it is, and you can use it while you are at offline. So as you can see, it's already downloaded as map 4. You can rename it, update it, or delete it. And this is how you can use this Google Map in offline if you don't have any signal or internet connection. If you have any question, write down in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.